So hello everyone, today in this video I am gonna share something but without topic. Here is no topic but I will make this video more than 5 minutes. I don't know what will I say in this video, but the main thing is that I haven't been making any videos for the last almost 1 week. So I should make a video, and I had been thinking before starting the video that I should make a video with any topic randomly. Just I have to pick up any random things and I have to make this video more than 5 minutes. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, there is a box. It's a cover box. You can see cover for my this microphone, and you know what, this microphone that you are like listening right now through this microphone, and this microphone I have bought almost 2 years ago. You know what, when I started my YouTube journey 2 years ago, that time as a starting, so I needed to buy a microphone with very low budget. So it was my choice. Approx it was around 250 or 300 around. So 2 years ago it was some high amount of price. Nowadays it's just very, like, you can get it maybe at 2000 sorry, 200 rupees, I think. I don't know, I am not sure, but I think. Okay, so this is the thing, and one thing that I am ready in this how. Just few seconds ago I wanted to join in a master class, and there was a teacher and who wanted to teach us like communication skill, about communication skill and art of communication, like this type of things, to speak clearly, okay, English, so any kind of language. So this type of things there was having right now, but I am facing like a terrible network issues. For this reason I have joined there, but I couldn't stay there for a while. Just maybe like I just was there only for 1 minute, and after 1 minute I like get back automatically. So this is the thing. I don't know what happened for my network issues maybe. So I thought as I'm not being able to join there, so I have to make a video at least for my practice purpose, as I am not practicing any English. So today I want to show something, papers and notebook. I can say, you can see there are lots of papers. I don't know you're seeing or not, there are lots of papers. Okay, so every day what I do, every day I write some examples with some new vocabularies in this paper, okay, in this copy. So I have fixed a target to learn vocabulary in a daily basis with 2 and 3 person, okay, and we share vocabulary each other each and every single day by writing with 10 examples. Okay, so in this how we are doing, you can see here. Okay, so I hope I am hopefully that it will help us to build a strong a strong, like, not community, a strong vocabularies. Okay, so vocabulary, it's a key to like fluency. Okay, so it's must, we have to do it. So I am doing it. You can also do it. It's a major things. I think that without vocabulary we are nothing, so in English. Okay, so this is the thing, and here is my bottle. Okay, the water is totally warm. My mother, like, uh, what I can say, my mother heated this water, okay, for my, like, throat, I think. Okay, so it is hot, and I did not have dinner yet. So after finish this video I will have dinner. So okay, one things I can see, there is a book. It's about Islamic book. Okay, Islamic means, yeah, Islamic book, but the lesson, the like syllabus, I can say syllabus name, actually chapter names. So chapter names, it's amazing. Just I want to mention some chapter name. It's in Bengali. Okay, so if you listen the chapter names, you will you will willing to read this book like at least once time. So some I will say 2 and 3 chapter name in Bengali. Number first one is that ebar ghum theke jagun. So number second one নতুন দিনের পৃথিবী. Third one নতুন ভোরের সোনারাঙা রোদে. Number 4 and third one maybe জীবনের গতিপথ ভুলে. ওকে, সো এবার ভিন্ন কিছু হোক এমনটা হতে দেওয়া যায় না, এমনটা হতে দেওয়া যায় না. ওকে, সো বেলা ফুরাবার আগে. So okay, so this is like these all are chapter names you can see. Okay, so it's a really amazing book, and if you hear the name of this book Bela Furabar Age, it's a really amazing, and the name just touched my heart before buying this book. And to be honest, I did not buy it. I wanted to buy it, but my one of friend, he bought it, so I thought okay, he bought means it's mine. Okay, so now came to the main point that I wanted to make this video more than 5 minutes, and almost it's done. Okay, so already it's done. So this is the thing that someone you can say that how can I make videos without any topic. Okay, so in this how you can make, I did not have any like selected topic that I will discuss after coming in front of camera, not like that. I just randomly just picked up my phone and microphone and I started to making videos to like for my practice purpose, and as I am not making any videos for this reason. So this is the thing, in this exactly how you can create videos, you can practice, you can continue your practice. Okay, you no need to select, you no need to graph any specific topic. You can like you are just maybe it's your third hand, like I don't know what's called in English, but in Bengali we say ojuhat. So it's not like that. Okay, if you are saying I don't have any topic, then you are doing this thing, so it's totally wrong. So just pick up your mobile phone and start to make videos where whatever you can make. If I want if I want, then I can make this video in this how exactly 30 minutes, more than 30 minutes. I am saying very honestly, because I know that I have this capability. In front of me there are so many things that I can continue the video more than 30 minutes through this thing. Okay, but I will not make more than 30 minutes, that's all. Okay, so this is the thing like I wanted to say. Oh, okay, thank you so much for watching till the end, and bye bye.